You've felt this pull 1,000 times. Two pieces of metal get close, and they suddenly slam together with surprising violence. In high school physics, we're taught that this happens because the metal is full of atoms acting like tiny, independent bar magnets. When those billions of atomic dipoles line up their north and south poles, their overlapping magnetic fields combine to create the macroscopic pull you feel in your hands. However, calculating the actual strength of these individual dipoles reveals a major discrepancy. The magnetic interaction between two neighboring atoms is roughly 100 times too weak to explain the behavior of solid materials. If atomic alignment relied strictly on those internal magnetic fields pulling on one another, the ambient heat of a standard room would instantly scramble them. In fact, that classical magnetic grip would fall apart at just 1 degree Kelvin, a temperature colder than deep space. Yet the magnet holding up a note on your refrigerator operates perfectly at roughly 300 degrees Kelvin. The grip we experience every day is surviving thermal chaos that should easily destroy it, meaning the force powering that piece of metal cannot actually be classical magnetism. To see what is actually holding that alignment together, we have to look inside the metal at the interaction between just two neighboring electrons. In 1926, Werner Heisenberg mapped the quantum mechanics of these electrons and discovered the mechanism that locks them in place. Around the same time, Paul Dirac arrived at the exact same conclusion independently. Both physicists realized that this atomic locking mechanism wasn't driven by magnetic forces at all, but by bizarre quirks of electrical repulsion. To explain the room temperature survival of a magnet, we have to look at the strict geometric rules that govern how identical quantum particles share physical space. The foundation of this effect lies with Wolfgang Pauli. His exclusion principle dictates an absolute rule. Identical quantum particles, like electrons, are forbidden from occupying the exact same quantum state simultaneously. For an electron, that state is primarily defined by two variables: its spatial location, often described as a probability cloud, and its angular momentum, which we call spin. If neighboring electrons have parallel spins, Pauli's rule forces their spatial wavefunctions to become antisymmetric. This geometry pushes the probability clouds apart, creating a mathematical void called an exchange hole. Forcing the electrons apart dramatically drops their electrostatic repulsion. The massive amount of energy saved by reducing that electrical tension is what physicists call the exchange energy. We calculate the value of that state using a foundational equation called the Heisenberg-Hamiltonian. The variable J here is the exchange integral. It represents the raw quantity of energy saved by minimizing the Coulomb repulsion between the electrons. But notice the other half of the term, the dot product of the two spin vectors. Because this massive energy savings only occurs when the spins are parallel, the equation mathematically links the energy state to the alignment of the spins, perfectly mimicking a magnetic interaction. This linkage creates the fundamental illusion of the permanent magnet. The electron spins align because doing so triggers the geometric shift that keeps them electrically separated, reaching a much lower energy state than if they were disorganized. This energy optimization problem, governed by quantum geometry, manifests at the macroscopic scale as a powerful magnetic force. That tiny energy saving between a single pair of electrons scales up rapidly, chaining together across the atomic lattice of a metal. This diagram illustrates a square atomic lattice, where the exchange constant is positive. This cascades to lock all the spins into a rigid, unified direction, creating what we call ferromagnetic order. Conversely, this diagram shows a lattice with a negative exchange constant. Here, the energy savings favor antiparallel alignment, resulting in the alternating patterns of antiferromagnetic order. This microscopic chain reaction weaves an invisible structural rigidity throughout the material. It creates an interlocking grid of spins with an energy bond strong enough to completely shrug off room temperature thermal chaos. Today, quantum engineering has advanced to the point where we can manually dictate this interaction. Using instruments like the scanning tunneling microscope, physicists can manipulate the exchange bias at the single atom level. Recently, scientists attached a single iron atom to the microscope tip, driving it closer to an isolated titanium atom resting on a surface. As the physical distance between the two atoms shrinks by mere angstroms, the overlap of their electron wave functions is altered in real time. This chart shows the electron spin resonance signal peaks shifting perfectly across the frequency scale. The data proves that by precisely adjusting that atomic distance, scientists can smoothly tune the strength of the exchange bias across 4 orders of magnitude. This subatomic energy optimization cascades up to the macroscopic scale, providing the structural rigidity needed to hold a note to your fridge.